In this video, I'll show you how to create your first ClickUp account. ClickUp is a productivity and project management platform that helps you organize tasks, projects, documents, goals, and team collaboration in one place. Whether you are managing personal work, business projects, school assignments, or a team workflow, creating a ClickUp account is the first step. First, open your browser and go to the ClickUp website. On the homepage, click Sign Up or Get Started. ClickUp will ask you to enter your email address. Use an email you can access, because you may need it to verify your account. Next, create your account by entering your name, email, and password, or choose a quick sign-up option like Google or another available login method. If ClickUp sends you a verification email, open your inbox, find the message, and follow the confirmation steps. After your account is created, ClickUp will guide you through the setup process. You may be asked what you want to use ClickUp for, such as personal productivity, work, project management, marketing, software development, or team collaboration. Next, create your first workspace. A workspace is the main area where your tasks, projects, and team members are organized. Give it a clear name, such as your business name, team name, or personal workspace. After that, ClickUp may ask if you want to invite team members. You can enter their email addresses right away, or skip this step and invite people later. Once your workspace is ready, you can create your first space, folder, list, or task. For beginners, start by creating a simple task list. Add a task name, due date, priority, and description if needed. Now your ClickUp account is ready to use. You can explore views like List, Board, Calendar, and Docs to organize your work in the way that fits you best. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.